Oh, we're live. Yeah. Okay. Let us. We have indeed got this, I think. Now we've got this. We've got this, guys. Right? Right. Ta-dum-bum. Shoot. Okie dokie. Sorry, getting everything ready. It's boiling. Yeah, I don't even think boiling begins to actually explain how it is right now. It's not okay. That's just, I think leaving it at that is pretty good. It's just not okay. Hey, Marty! Marty, how are you doing? How's the trading been going, Marty? I think that's the more important question, right? How's the trading been going? How has your day been? Did indeed go take up my level and then continue. Cool. Last thing. There we go. One thing at a time. My great goodness. Okay. Only true trader. Lit it. How's it going, Ash? Did you take a pre-trade? No? Yes? Does that make sense? A pre-market, there we go. I got there eventually. It took me a minute, but we got there. Okay. I feel like the Wi-Fi is being funny already and we haven't even started, so I hope it's okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that, but let's get this party started. Okay, here's boom. So I got Asia High from the small. Nope, it did not. It took out the 50% of the full range on the 4 hour. That's what I just deleted. Nope, never mind. Okay. Can get it back, it's fine. But definitely took out Asia High. We now have London High right here. Asia Low was there. Or only true trader, you say that's actually Asia Low, not London Low. Heyo. Are my things working? Not really. They're not really working, are they? Is it that bad? Okay. Are things working, yes or no? My London is from 2 to 5. That's all. Really? See, then I've heard some people say that London continues until like 11:30 New York time. So you say 2 to 5 is actually... So that's actually data high. Hey, thanks, Marty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let me... Let's keep an eye on it. Let's keep an eye on it. I'm now kind of curious / a tiny bit confused, but we're gonna continue. That was my little Maya level. Ignore it. That's done. Massive imbalance here from the news. Okay. Ash, are you still bearish? You thinking bearish, or do you think this is just gonna continue back up? Oh my goodness, where's everyone today? Is everyone chilling? Is everyone out? Is everyone calling it a day? Like, damn. I think this is the most quiet it's ever been. Only you still bearish, cool. Oh, I am struggling. How's that side of the world? The time issue is annoying, but just know 2 to 5 is London. Okay, thanks, Only True Trader. Definitely. Yeah, I've always found it really interesting how, again, one person can say one thing, someone else can say another. Hey, YouTube Darren. How's it going? I have a feeling the bias is going to be bearish for New York session, but obviously that's just me kind of speculating. So, I don't know. Hey Zara, what's up? The day is going good. No complaints. No complaints this side. How's your day, Zara? Did you get any trading in this morning? Are you done trading? What's the plan? I'm just dying from heat. Like, it is excessively freaking hot down here today. Like, it's not okay. Yo, look, Only True Trader, I'm low-key dying. You know when it's so hot you are struggling to breathe? It's bad. It's bad. It's not okay. I see we are getting closer to 8K, which is making me a little bit nervous because I made a promise, which means if we reach 8K before Friday, I will indeed be doing a 24-hour stream. Well, again, 24-hour stream on Friday. From Chicago. Marty, how's it there? Yeah, listen, it's why I just wear strapless things. Like, nothing works. Turn the AC on, bozo. Bob? I don't have AC. Unfortunately, I don't even have a freaking fan in this room. Yeah, well, I mean, Only True Trader, only when we reach 8K. It is getting closer though. But that is the deal. Yeah, definitely the deal. 24 hours when we hit that 8K. I might be questioning all my life choices during those hours, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Bit chilly with folks. Enjoy a day at the beach, but looks like it's going to be a sweet day. So, are you not down at the Beach? You're not going on holiday? What's the plan? I don't know if jealous of people down at the beach is the right word though. It's hot as hell and like, is that really worth it? Coming down to the beach when it's not December, sure. Sure. It'll be fine. Only to trader, yeah. You guys might see me fall asleep. Just on stream. That'll be quite funny. That would be an entertaining stream. Okay. I should maybe keep an eye on the time. We have 4 minutes to go. Okay. I'm only gonna take the really, really good setups today, and let's see how it goes. Am I gonna wait until news? Probably not the worst idea. Are you guys gonna wait until news to get a trade in, or what are you thinking? What's the plans? Wow. Okay. A little bit dead today, isn't it? It's so weird. Indeed, but slowly defined. No, 100% only true trade. I'm just so used to it, this being, well, New York station being a little bit busier. But I have a feeling a lot of people are now calling it, which is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. I think people need to take a break. I tried watching through Twitch, but the buffering is ridiculous. Yeah. Sorry about that. It's a little bit. I don't even know what to call it today, Bob. It's just not okay. I always wait till news. True. Maybe watch that one. X1 best entry for that is 1,038. Go have fun. What up? So Twitch needs more. That's interesting. It's so weird. Maybe because it's the 16th. Who knows? Only true trade. Like I said, I think it's also just December time. I have a feeling a lot of people have called it for these next 2 to 3 weeks. So like I said, I will not be streaming the 24th, 25th, 26th. And then I will not be streaming the 31st, 1st and 2nd. Need to remember when and what and how happens. Is it 9:30 yet? Yep, 2 minutes to go. We still got time. I feel like time is going real slow right now. Sorry, I know I'm talking a lot, but yes, I mean, I'll take those days off. I guess it's not bad to have a bit of a break December time. Go have fun? No, exactly. Hey Timmy D, what's up? And joy of travel, hi. Sneaky? Hi, I'm good, thanks, and you? How's it going? Shaky C, what's up? Only true, okay, cool, I'm glad it's not just me. Normally I hop on and 15 minutes goes by so quickly, but now I'm just like, oh my gosh. What the heck is going on? Let me get comfy. I will show you. Maybe no, let me not go on my phone and be rude. I was gonna say I'll post it when I'm done with this stream. That awesome machine I got delivered yesterday. I'll show you what it does. It is so cool. I used it last night. I am a little bit stiff now. It's super cool. Still a few days to go till Friday. Exactly, Zob. Let's see what happens. Sway M Gaming, hi. David, Geordie, Sully, and Rip not being here weirds me out. Right? Okay. Only true trader? Right? It feels like something's wrong. Like something's wrong, but I think... Well, David, I think, is probably asleep. Geordie, I think, is taking a bit of a break. I'm actually not sure. Geordie, are you here? Say hi. Geordie, are you here? No? Yes, no, maybe? Solly, I think, is also asleep, and Rip did openly say that he's gonna be kind of MIA for a little bit, which is fine. But it's quite sad without them, hey. Feels like the gang is missing. How sad. Okay, but... I mean, that's quite a large opening. But here we go, 9:30. Let's do this. I'll draw the 9:30 range when this has calmed down. Did I? Didn't I laugh when I said you have an affiliate code? Yeah, probably. I mean, I have an affiliate code, if that's what you're asking. Hey, Dom, what's up? Go have fun, sad, miss them, honestly. BBC, what's up, Mo? How you doing? Dom, you're waiting for the longs? Interesting, okay. Ah, now I remember. Easy, do you know what an affiliate code is? Maybe let's start with that question. Are you a trader? Yes, no? Do you know what prop firms are? Yes, no? Asking for a friend? Tito, what's up? How's it going? Entry 25335. Oh gosh. You go tell him, only true trader. Tell him. I know that about 3% of day trade. Okay, but again, you're not actually answering the question. That was not the question. The question was, do you know what an affiliate code is, and do you know what a prop firm is? Only true trader, I think you're part of that 3%, so that's cool. I hear the song and I sleep very well. Nice. I'm glad. Would I rather watch a tree grow or... I'm so goofy? Close. That was very, very close. You nearly got me. That's also not okay. I feel like you need to go in a timeout for that. Like it or sub what? What's up? Hi. So goofy. Luckily, I read that in my head first before I said that out loud. That was very, very close. Anyways, glad I caught myself. All right, trading this afternoon. Nice, Laura. How was this morning, by the way? Oh my gosh, all the weirdos are out. Where are all my mods? There we go. Good grief. All my mods are gone. Moving on. So what is your bias today? I want to go short today. Let's see. Personally, I want to say short, but it could go either way. So let's see. My man, easy. I'm not selling anything. Oh, good God. Okay, you know what? Okay, bye. You're frustrating me. You're not even answering any of the questions, which means you don't know what's going on. So sorry if you take this personally, but bye. You're not gonna lie, it's not bad to buy a mentorship or a course if you're buying from someone who will actually teach you. No, that's true. Dom, attention to the zone. Yeah, only true trader, you upgraded. Laura, bye. Why are you going? Where are you going? And Kit, what's up? Yeah, you just got promoted. Hell yeah. To be fair, I really thought you were one. I'm so sorry. I didn't even clock that you weren't a mod. Sorry about that. Oh, bye to the trolls. Yes, no, 100%. I was like, oh no, whatever. And I see we are actually just... Well, here's the 930 range. Got that. Gonna mark out 930 low as well. Or open price, not low. We haven't even created a first presented. So that's cool. We now sit and wait. I'll have both. Only true trader. It kind of looks like it. How weird. Like I said, super chill. But you know what? It is December. To be chilled in December is not the end of the world. Hey. Ayo, you are Ethiopian African. What's up? I'm also from South Africa. I have both streams open. Dom, let's go. Do I play COD or CS2? I do not, unfortunately. Sorry. Well, I say that. I've played Battlefield. I'm not great at it. So, yeah. Take my money and double it. I'll give you 20% commission. Wayne, I don't think I'll be able to do that yet. Sorry. I might lose it, which is not great, right? We don't want to be losing that. Dom, am I ready? I don't know. It's failing to break through the 50% of this fair value gap, but it's also breaking to failing to break above the 930 range until now. Never mind. Here we go. Dom, is this what you're waiting for? Huh. Maybe I should have taken it. However, needed to wait for a little bit more of a confirmation. There we go. English found it. We're good. Bob, what's Top Step doing? Hey, Sourcast is back. What's up? News and like, oh, thank you. Actually, that's a good point. Hands off until after the news, else I'm gonna cause rubbish for myself anyways. Good grief, who hurt you, Sourcast? Are you good? December PA starting early. This is so bad right now. Yeah, little bit only true trader. Only true trader, are you gonna be trading next week or are you also done? What's your plan? What's everyone's plan, by the way? Licky, hi. JP, I mean I can. I'm not the best teacher. Sorry, I'm still new myself. But I can try and explain some things to you. There are some videos that I have, again, not amazing ones, but it might give you a bit of an idea with regards to some of the things. But do you have any questions in particular? Market is rigged, why? Hey, cute world, what's up? Mel, hi. something out. Closed it and tried to reopen it, and now it's a blank screen. That's not good, Bob. That's really not good. What on earth? Please, small people I can go. Money waits for no man. Good morning, everyone. Indeed, I will till Friday. Oh, till Friday, but next week you're done? Hey, Geordie, you're on the road. Where are you going? I'm not trading, I'm also learning about it. I started last second, gaining some knowledge. Nice. I'm South African. Happy holidays to all. Hey, Elvin, what's up? I'm an influencer because I made quite the impression. I don't think I could be called an influencer, but I'm here. What's the meaning of Bob? Oh, Bob levels. So one of the amazing viewers, Bob, has Bob levels that work beautifully. So I call them Bob levels because they are his levels. Happy Tuesday! Is it still It's only Tuesday. I was convinced today was Wednesday. Happy Tuesday, guys! Yeah, it's Tuesday. See, I might trade again, but I'll be on the lives always. Oh, thanks, Only True Trader. You're so sweet. Thank you for the support, by the way. Unless SCOM strikes. I mean, that's valid. Oh, I see. Hey, some guy. Yeah, thanks. This morning was actually a flipping good session. I really enjoyed London. Yeah, like Only True Trader says, it's now time to start pushing the risk to reward so that I can pass this eval. It's time to start getting a move on. Entry long, looking at the screen, we've got to get at least 10,000. Gamer, smelly old woman. Well, that's weird to say, but moving on. Some guy, Only True Trader is now a mod. Just saying. I didn't realize he wasn't one. Probably touch VWAP and we see candle to go up. Okay, let's see. Like I said, it didn't quite break as far out at the 930 range as I wanted it to. But... Excuse you. Okay. But we do still have news, so I am kind of sitting on my hands until after news. It does look like it's going down to VWAP. Getting ready to go. To go what? What crabbing? What's that? Doing good. Actually just got promoted. Caught a nice long in London. Hell yeah. Me and Only True Trader had awesome whoop whoops this morning. For those of you that weren't here, assuming as we have like 2 minutes to go before news. Yeah, literally. Got in, left a runner, so technically I added, but it took out my runner before it added, and then continued to back up, so it was quite cool. And then luckily I called it. Yeah, I said that's not push our luck. Well, it tapped into VWAP, Dom. With a minute to go. Into VWAP and that order block. Let's see, 1 minute to go. Oh, was it the animal shelter thing today, Geordie? How was it? Did you adopt anything? Well, this is very anticlimactic. I'm having cherry cheesecake with my candles. Nice. That sounds amazing. Cherry cheesecake. Is that a thing? I've never had that, but it sounds awesome. Come to San Francisco. We'll host. Oh, thanks, Elvin. Jordy will yell at me if I do that. Because part of me wants to be like, hell yeah. And then another part of me goes, that's how you die. Looks dumpy, Asia low. That's my Jordy level. She gonna melt. Hell yeah. I do agree. Like I said, I've been waiting for news. And maybe that was where it was supposed to be an entry, but anyways. People think. Thanks, some guy. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to like that stream. Let's grow this amazing community. You guys that were asking about learning, right? Everyone that was asking about learning. If you guys are still here. No, not getting the price action I want yet. Sorry, I had to take a pause there to make sure, but that's not what I'm looking for. Oh, Wi-Fi. Why, Wi-Fi? Why? What instrument do I trade? Well, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Here we go. To anyone that's new that would like to join, here's the Discord. Let's do this. Pulp Fiction, sorry, let me see. Jared, hi! What's up? How you doing, Jared? Do I earn much cash trading? Not yet. I'm not profit, so no. I'm here to be very situation. It has still failed to break out of this 930 range. That's not good. It's becoming manipulation now. A little bit down, go to the moon. Hey, Maya, I need to play. How much would you return after a month? Pulp Fiction. It really depends on like nothing, or it could be double. I don't know. You know, I don't want to lie. And I'm not profitable yet. Sorry. Average $100 a day. What time frame is better? It depends on what strategy you use. Now I go long. Do you also answering? I do. One delay. Just got notification that Crypto Face is live right now. Tyler's $1 million trading. Oh my gosh, is he gonna do some crazy stuff again? Stop them. Why I was so sad. Jordy, that's the problem. People are like, why don't you ever go and do these things? I'm like, I can't, because I will start crying. And I will end up adopting like 5 of them where I do not have the time, capability, or money to adopt 5 of them, but I probably would. I like to trade ETFs. I'm looking at copper ETF right now. It's kind of low. Hey Jared, that's awesome. How's the weather treating you? 1 hour time frame? Michael, you use the 1 hour? AB, how's it going? What's your thoughts on making Nasdaq 24/5? Wait, only trade trader? What do you mean by that? You need to have at least 10,000 hours in there to be profitable to live off of day trading. And you'd lose it all. I don't know if I would lose it all, Pulp. I just can't say that I would get it in a month. Or do well in a month. I cannot speak that AO, sorry. Yes, more dogs. Oh my god, where's the first percentage pay value back? Oh my goodness. So that doesn't count. I completely forgot. I'm so sorry. Whoopsie, I was so focused on the 9:30 AM range. Would it be this one? This little one? Yesterday we had a massive one. Today we have this little itty bitty one. Struggling to break below, but wanting to go up. I don't like the entry for this. The stop loss is good. Entry is not good. And this is kind of ranging a little bit. How big is this? Theater. Okay. Ah, there we go. Okay, it has now officially broken up above. So much for I think it's going short. Only true trader? Yep. We're long up to the next level. Too late. Oh well, it's fine. Here, keep it running. Some guy, how's Perry? Shame. It's so hot and the poor dude keeps freaking, this sounds weird, but keeps snorting sand. I know that sounds weird, but it's because he keeps digging for the flipping crabs, but he like sniffs into the sand with such intensity that I'm pretty sure he's just snorting sand. But anyways. Do I have a loss limit of the day? Yeah. Loss is down 100, yeah. How to go to Baba, do you name Perry after Nando? What? Jared neither. I will tell you the story with Perry now. Some guy is my phone deleted that so quick. He's trying to compete with David. Why are you so big? Like one contract. But also I don't love that it goes below this bob level to do it. Got this high. Okay. Nope. One contract. Like I said, it's technically a little bit large. Has tapped into a fair value gap on a higher time frame as well. Okay, let me check the higher time frames quickly. At least it's... Oh, wow, the 5 minute looks shocking. Oh, that's... not nice. Where was the new weekly opening gap? Still a little bit higher. Keep searching for that. Cool. Nothing about this looks particularly nice right now. A lot of resistance on the buy side. Do you need, sorry. Hey Gwen, what's up? What pair am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, so I guess not a pair. But yeah, I'm on the Nasdaq futures. Yeah, Nasdaq futures, last chance to enter long. Fair shit, buy, call me dumb dumb, but I really think this may do dumpy dump. No, what did Top Step do, Bob? Maybe you need to stop. Have I had any finance classes? No, I have not, Mark. What was I looking at? This is the 15. I'm quickly looking at the hour. I mean, this is a hectic resistance zone. Wonder if it wants to come full here. Top levels. Top levels. Okay. Sorry. I know I'm hurting your eyes. And 4 hour. Four, 3. Okay, back to the 1 minute. Well, it hasn't tagged me in. Kind of looks like it's bouncing off. No, Wi-Fi. Come. There we go. Pity. Oh well. I just invested in my first mutual. Oh, nice. What did you invest in, Timmy D? Becky, what's up? FJ and Chuck, hi. The indicator name. What indicator? That makes it a lot easier to gauge, especially in conjunction. I've tried the I'm gonna butcher these names. I'm just gonna call them the B-bands. Finance classes or BS at any level. Damn, Bob. When you shoot trade, I'm not gonna lie, applies. Yeah, honestly. And she was 25335 for watching. Whoop whoop, Dom. Well, that's amazing. I mean, yeah. Just yeah. It's quite a hectic resistance level, but anywho, let's see what happens. Yeah, I need to try. This is not okay. Hey, Wade. Yeah, today's actually been, well, London session was good. Let's see, maybe New York will catch a wakey. Bob, are you in this trade? I assume you are. I think this is just gonna be too big. Okay. Jordy, Top Step has been getting so many issues. Wait, Bob, are you back in? No. No, that's not okay. Bob, get a new one. Screw it. Why don't you try a new prop firm? You can use my code for discount. Wait, and as an indicator, you only take the trade cross. Okay. Sorry, my thing did it. Let's see, Joburg traffic. Is there still traffic? Tell you something you'll... Damn, only true trader, you were quick with that one. And I want to say Gabby. I'm just going to call you Gabby. Sorry, I still saw it. Nice try, only true trader. But what on earth makes you say that? I know, Bob, but where was the entry? That's the thing. I wanted to go long from here. I was looking at that, but that would have screwed me before it went long. But now, what is it gonna do? Is it kind of gonna bounce off of these two levels? Again, not the biggest fan of the price action. Dom, you're done for the day. Nice. 5 p.m. as well. Yeah. Oh, that's okay, Jared. You kind of get used to it, but sometimes it's fun to ask them questions, and then they're like, I don't know. What did you try? I need to stop messing with that 1 minute old and start marking out the 5 minute. So the entry would have been at this breakout here. Was that what you were waiting for? So here's the 5 minute, didn't break out properly. Here it closed above. So would your entry have been at the 0.2 level? I do wonder how bad your life must be to me. You can put people down and you feel sorry for those people. Some guy, I think they just... Yes, like you said, sad. Which is sad. It's sad that they're sad. I know that's a weird thing to say, but it's sad that they're sad. Top-notch traders, my whole day. No, not the whole day. Tail on the bottom, need to be decisive hammer. That was your entry. Gwen, am I being blonde? Which hammer? I don't see a proper hammer. Level to freaking level, Bob. What the heck, man? Creating an M formation. This is where it starts dumping. Again, like I said, I don't hate this trade. It's just, it's just too big. I'm gonna be risking too much if I take this trade. I was gonna ask, like, should I just yellow it and we just see what happens, but that's a bad idea. Oh no, wait, what's happening? There's not enough retail orders that build in the first 1 minute. That makes sense. Dom, you think it's a short now? Hey Dylan, what's up? Level to level, skeet skeet. And there's another level to level, skeet skeet. There's another Bob quote. Right there. These Bob quotes are amazing. No, where's my Bob quotes? They are. That's incorrect. The grey hammer with the long tail before the breakout. Are you talking about this one? This grey hammer here? Or this grey hammer here, and this was the entry? Actually, short setup didn't take because we inversed the full alpha value gaps on a setup. This price action is just not great. Maybe a short here. Oh wait, but I feel like I'm too late. A short here to VWAP. Got the order block. I don't, like I said, the stop loss is not at a great level. I have one confluence, so it's not ideal. I'm only trying to take the A+ freaking setups, especially let's not ruin what we did this morning. This morning was awesome. Maybe I was right. Let's see. It's in between two levels. I don't know how it likes to act between... Oh, it's an inverse fair value gap on the... on the ES. 5 minute where the red line is. Kill me. First one, the red line is 5 minute. Definitely don't be in a rush to give back your... But that's exactly it, some guy. I even said this morning, I said I'm going to be very selective of the trades I take during New York, because this morning was awesome. They were really good trades. Let's maybe not do something silly. Like that would have been a loss. Not do something silly because of FOMO, or we feel like we have to get a trade in. Look at the 5 minute orb and see the difference. So the 5 minute was up here. Ah, interesting. Tapped in, rejected off of it twice. Oopsie, I hurt my glasses. Bob level to bob level again. Rarig. I want to say it looks like the buyers want to take control, but this is just... I think it's just going to keep pinballing between the two. Took the high. Well, took external, took internal. Let's see if it's going to take external again. Part of risk management is knowing when to stop and not to overtrade. 100%. 100%. It's what I need to learn. It's okay. Entry in long 25400. Hasn't broken above. Oh, going back down to bob level. If it's just going to keep pinballing between the two, it's not worth me getting in. I need to wait for it to stop doing this. Stop ranging. Thanks, some guy. It's a weird... I actually had some food. Some guy, you'll be proud. I don't know if it's now the heat. I had some food. Now it's super hot. Now I feel nauseous. Daddy Stocks, you see downtrend? Hey, what's up? Daddy Stocks, that sounds too good to be true. Do I have travel? Oh, you're done for the day? Why? Bear in mind, it's a heavy news-driven day today, so price is very choppy because of that. Personally, I'd say... Huh. Well. Look at that. Looks like it wasn't only top step. Temporary market closure. Closure due to data delays and execution issues on Project X. We've temporarily suspended all trading on the platform. We'll keep you updated as soon as we have more information, and we'll notify you once trading can safely resume. Thank you for your patience. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. Well. Huh. Well, that sucks. But mean, it's still working for now. I don't know if I'll be able to take a trade, but we can still keep forward testing. Was that the world's way of telling me you're done? No more trades for you. Bob, you need to learn how to find where the banks play it. Yep, in conjunction with your GAN strat. Yes. What they say, if something seems too good to be true, it's probably because it is BS. Because of the news was in the long... Oh, damn, Joy of Travel. This is a blessing in disguise. What is? I upload everything. Hey, Sun Consecutive, how's it going? Hey, Jamak, where do I start? Oh, good question. Opens... Yes! So I upload everything it has. It has. This is doing some seek and destroy type of stuff, which is also not ideal. But again, bob level to bob level, bob level to bob level. It's just pin bowling betwixt the two. Has it hit that 0.5 level? Not yet. Now it has. I'm curious to see how it reacts off of this. The one I said was, and is accurate. Oh, thanks, Daddy Stocks. But I mean, if it works, that's amazing. Upload everything? Yes, I'm trading Nasdaq. My trade actually holding. Oh damn, no new true trader. Wait, are you in this? No? Yes. Maybe? And were you looking for a short or a long? Try use S&P 500 as a complement. So I do have it open here. So I do have it open. For that very reason. But I do try and see what's happening on the NAS. To be fair, on both of them, it's kind of just jumping between the two. Hey Hector, what's up? The hammer just hit going up. If it does, I don't want to say I'll be annoyed, because this would have been my entry for a long. Like I said, it's just unfortunately a little bit too big for me. I'll be risking more than I should. Reverse well, so I can't be taking shorts. Okay. So good big win, so no more for me. That is great. Amazing. But the setup was a short setup. Yaman, how? I'm looking for long, as if you're looking at price drop. My opinion is institutional traders have already priced and sell for today. I upload everything. I mean, it has been very bullish the whole day today, so I wouldn't be surprised. Dom, you think it's ready to dump? Gwen, I know you think it's ready to start pushing the buys. I am hands off until it decides what it wants to do. The thing of sell the rumor, buy the news. Love the how. Yaman, what? Okay, moving on. Bengal, what's up? How's it going? Yes, the news says sell, but institutional traders are buying to catch retail traders. So on the higher time frame, this would have been my buy setup. Well, I say higher time frame. Let's see if this would have worked out. Again, like I said, it's just, for me, it's a tad bit too risky. Again, too risky, maybe that's the wrong word. The risk is larger than worth it. Nox, what's up? How's it going? I'm telling you all, trader bit the way. Only true trader, yep. But using which prop? Only true trader? Moving on was on point, hell yeah. Going from TJR, he hands down the best teacher. Anyone grab that 80-point move so I can feel good through your success? Did anyone... Yeah, did anyone... So, only true trader, I'm going to attempt to be affiliated with Tradeify. Again. I did ask them, and they just kind of said, come back when you have 10k subscribers, so I was like, okay. Anyways. But maybe Tradeify. I mean, you can also go Tradeivate and use TradingView via funding ticks as well. You get them now, you famous, and I get an autograph. Only true trader, you funny guy. I mean, it kind of respected the first presented for a millisecond there. When merch? Do you guys even want merch? Maya merch would go hard. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look for the inverse value gap on the 1 minute. I mean, there's this one right here. It's still kind enough. Gonna drop below it. So maybe not. Like I said, I'm curious to see if this trade would have worked out, but it... Nope, it's broken below. I think this thing's gonna start shorting. Hey Jordy, welcome back. Oh, look at that dumpy dump. Silver Bullet Trader, what's up? How's it going? Damn, everyone's so mean today. Are you all good? What happened? Sure. Gwen, looks like I'm right. Yeah. Well, let's see. It's why I'm hands off for now. I really like the look of this long, but apparently not. No ways, only true trader. What the heck, man? Awesome Bullet Trader. I'm glad. Like I said, we posted that mug on Discord. I want to get that mug. I think that mug would be so freaking cool. And then I can use that mug to drink coffee out of. That little Maya merch mug, I thought it was adorable. Color, I have an investment marked on Nasdaq between two. Sorry, I know that's a lot. Talking about around, where did you say? Sorry, I upload everything. 25100 and 25905. I went too far. Blinded people. This one all the way down here. Okay. Let's see if it does. And of course VWAP now freaking moved again. I hate that thing with a passion. Oh, thanks, Gwen. Upload everything, thanks. David, what's up? How you doing? Some guy is actually insane. What with how quick he is, only true trader? I love it. Some guy. Am I invited to the wedding? Please? I might need to go get some cold water. Will I go viral if I pass out on stream? That'll be hilarious. Like, it's way too hot. Oh. Can't believe that I'm actually dying from heat. I'm normally quite good with heat, but it's bad today. Okay. Moving on. But again, will I go viral if I pass out on stream? Potentially. Maybe that's just the plan. Maybe just hey-oh. Hey-oh live and see what happens. I can be the flower girl. Hell yeah. When it touched... Only true trader? No. My morning, my London was amazing. Sorry, hiccups. Yeah. London session was great, and you see this trade that I was like, I'm so sure about this, gave me the middle finger. Okay, so that would have been a loss. You said 946, no ways. That would have been your TP, only true trader, what the heck, man? Any advice on how to control greed and fear and hope in trading? Advanced gaming, I would have to say it's just rules. Give yourself, like, if you've won 3 trades for the day, or if you've won 1 trade for the day, you know, done. And so you have like your rules. When you reach a target, stop. You know, for me, it's if I have 3 losses in a day, done. Like, lock myself out. And now I'm naturally a bit more of a cautious person. So when I'm green, I'm naturally a little bit more on the cautious side of life. Which is kind of what I'm doing right now. Being a little bit more cautious. Waiting for the setups. I upload everything? Oh, thank you. Yeah. Knocks out her mental vacay, I see you. Oh no. I moved things. Barely, but I moved things. You get London session, then London close. Dom, triple floor, and then probably going up. I am very much hands off right now. You know, this morning I could see where we were going. I really liked it. Right now, I can't see anything, and that's probably the biggest problem right now here. And what I liked didn't work out at all. I mean, it bounced off of it slightly, but not properly. Not the rejection you obviously wanted to see for the trade I was looking for. Oh, okay, so Michelle's just non-existent now. Thought you guys were, you know. Johnny? No, he was back on yesterday. Yeah, I've had one eye on the chart though. And how's it going, Nox? Just wait for confirmation. Short down to 118 would require a break and retest of the 5-minute orb. $118, was that a little hinty at a bob level? We do have a David. He's a big tippers. Yeah, big shoes to fill, just saying. Tore my heart out and threw it in the gutter. Oh no! Oh, Chris is back. Hi, Chris. I've answered you like 5 times. TP hit. No, only true trade. I'm so sorry. It was his model, but he wasn't in it, Geordie. He wasn't in the trade. Unfortunately, it would have been awesome. Again, I think it's headed for Asia low, but yeah. I don't know, when I see if I'm better get it's usually your trade. I'm disappointed in this price action right now. But it's fine. Hey David, what's up? Welcome, welcome. Hey Lukey, bear. I started the session looking for bears. I thought it would go down. It obviously went up for a bit and now melted. I need to go grab some water. I'll be right back. Please don't freak out. My dog always sits right behind my chair and then has a mini heart attack. If I don't come back, it's because I've passed out. Just like, no, I'm joking. Or am I? Let's see. If I'm not back in 2 minutes, someone just call 911. I'll be fine. I'm just kidding. I hope I'm just kidding, but here we go. Okay, didn't pass out, we're good. It did take out the lows, but it has retested into this 5-minute orb. Haven't closed properly below, but... Two. I have 2 confluences. This for my entry. Hasn't taken out these lows though. How big is this? Yeah, it's like 50 points. It has got that little bit there. If it starts dropping, I'll be surprised. Which chair on there? Sweeping some guy off his feet. Are you guys good? Anyways, moving on. Come back to zone 340. All the way back up there, 340. Oh, Adrian, that's so sweet. just jail practice, just in case. Nanomix, hey, long time no see. How's it been going? I mean, that was a pretty decent rejection off of the... Huh. That was a pretty decent rejection off of the VWAP. But buyers are still in control. I could say duck it and just do one contract. But it feels risky. Nanomix, yeah, I was looking for a short. Hey Joel, I use 1 to 2R. Lukey, you just shorted. Good luck. Oh, there we go. Oh, damn! Rizzy, that's a good point. I don't even know if I'll be able to place a trade. Shall we see? I don't know if I'll be able to place a trade. Nope. Never mind. The market is currently closed. Damn it! I can't even place a trade. Shoot! I forgot about that. Rizzy, you are correct. Project X is down. Aw, man. Okay, I guess we can sit and watch and see if this trade would have worked. Tapped into the... Maybe it's just a sign. It's a sign that I need to just be hands off today. It is what it is. Jordy? I forgot about that, Rizzy. No, that's fine. Hey Dads, what's up? Celestial, hi. Trade with X, my other accounts are on Ninja, nice. I can take a trade on my trusty Tradeovate if you like. Jordy, brag much? Go on then. Take a trade for me. You know, make me feel jelly. It's okay. Would this have worked out? I mean... The impulsion to the buy side was quite large. But I still believe it's going for Asia lows. I still think it's going to go down. I mean, I would have been tagged in there. Aw, I'm kind of bummed now. I guess it is what it is. One guy. Right, Bob, were you able to place a trade? I can't trade. Project X is indeed down. Proper bummer. So Bob, it's not just Top Step. Yeah, it's Project X. No, David, I just glanced through them. You guys, you do you. Where's he? That's the list I am, and I'm not even training them. Let's see if this would have worked out. Let's see if this would have screwed me, and then maybe I go, thank you, Top Step, for not Top Step. Top 1. Sorry, now I'm getting all confused between the prop firms. No, you're not just some idiot. You're just some guy. Okay. Maybe don't do it now. It's not quite what I wanted. I expected more of a rejection, but entry would have been at 260.5. Woohoo! No, this looks like it's going towards a loss. So maybe don't do that. And I was going for a long. I mean, a short. Oh my goodness. Brief. You know, just the bias being that kinda wanted it to take out Asia lows. But, you know, markets don't care about what I think and what I want. I've never trusted that Project X. I need to swap over. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Jordy, maybe I must swap over now, because I know Project X is going to go down anyways. For top one, so maybe... but then everything... ah. Okay. Huh. No, I take it back. Maybe this is not a bad entry. 0.5, so... the 260 level. TP1 at 175.50. Sorry, I know it's really late. Sorry about that, Jordy. And TP2 would have been at 158. And I mean, leave a runner to Asia low. Asia low would be final TP. Nice that I had the correct idea. Did David just call me a hooker? Wow. Anyways. That's right. I'm gonna make it. Lukey, don't faint. Me? Oh, no, I'll be fine, I think. I'll be fine. Done trading aggressively now. I chill and enjoy trading without targets. Oh, nice, ah. Maurice, honestly, no, I'm joking. David's cool. We know he's messing around. He's being rude, but he's messing around. But again, shout out to David because he always donos. Thanks for all the donations. We've seen this with Forex brokers. The whole in-house order book is always sketchy. Hey Maurice, how's it going? Leandro, what's up? I can't read that. I'm sorry. I don't speak Spanish. Hey Jules. I can't trade today. Well, New York session today, I guess. I traded this morning, so I'm up $300, so that's nice, but yeah. Can't get any more trades in because Project X is down. I'm waiting for it to kick me out of the server. I'm surprised I'm still on, to be fair, but it's cool. Here's the conditions that we just let him beat Jordy. That's amazing. Like once or twice cool, but this often is just insane. Right, only true trader. Anyways. Rob Hub, what up? Happy holidays. Yeah, you cheap bastards. Tell them, David. Jules, I don't know. We need to go yell at Project X, but I can't place any trades. I did try. Yeah. Project X is down. So they closed the market. I think they did it so that, you know, they wouldn't have to pay anyone back or whatever the case may be, but... oh, so frustrating. Be a great time to learn these levels. It would be, Bob, but I don't have TradingView. Didn't you say you got the levels off of TradingView? Aw, Sky Chick, that's so sweet, thank you. You're right, sorry, David donated. So actually, I'm up $416 thanks to David's donors. I'm a girl, you look pretty. Oh, thanks, Sky. You're so sweet. I'm sure you are beautiful as well. Inside and out, because you're very, very nice. Nice, Celestial. Whoop, whoop. This actually would have a nifty couple of points. Yep. Look at it play out so nicely. Let's see. Could have potentially entered again here. Nope, didn't quite reach high enough. Let's see, it could do a second little push up. You would mark them on your Project X. Here comes that short setting up. But Bob, you said you wanted to show me how to find them, right? Don't you find them on... TradingView. Or you're going to teach me how to find them, but don't you find them using TradingView? Asking out of curiosity. Here comes that short sitting. I haven't thought of it that way. Off Abby, thanks. Ziggy, how many languages can I speak? Unfortunately, only one. Well, no, two. I can speak Afrikaans. I've never been good with languages. It's never been my strong suit. What do you... E for effort on that. We took major buy side at 8:30, created a fair value gap. Second entry, we swept internal buy side and ran down. Okay. Okay, so when news hit at 8:30, you can see we took major buy side and created a fair value gap. Yep. Then 9:37. Was the second entry. Given to you by what? We swept internal. Oh, wait, that's fine. Yeah, we swept internal buy side. Okay. And ran down. Celestial, did you get into this at all? Oh, we've dried up. Volume dried up. Ah, no, you can find them on anything. Ah, okay, Bob. Oh, okay then. Oh, I am South African. What's up? What, Afrikaans? You want to hear me speak Afrikaans? What's my model? I have quite a basic, simple model. Theoretically, I have a GAN box, but I use ICT and SMC complemences. Pretty simple, yeah. I have long only day trade. Sorry, Ziggy. Luki, why do you think men tend to trade more often than women? I don't know why. Like, is this a genuine question, or do you have an answer for that? Oh no, Wandile, I'm definitely not Afrikaans. I'm actually really bad at speaking Afrikaans, but I can speak Afrikaans. English is very much my first language. Captain Django, what's up? Wow, Jordy. Was that a commentary? Apparently I'm not English either. Wow. Oh man. Okay, well, with the previous trade, I would have mitigated risk by half. Let's see if it comes back up that high with the previous trade. Tapping back in there. Are we gonna go back down now? We're gonna start shooting up. That sounded bad. Don't say shooting up. Hey Ricky, do I have a group that teaches trading? So not so much a group. We have a Discord. That would have been a loss. Ooh. Okay. You're more than welcome to join the Discord. Okay. Moving on. Say what? What does that mean? Wait, Celestia, what does that mean? Say braibroki. No, to say braibroki. No, I feel like I'm saying it wrong now. Okay. Sorry, chewing this. Yeah. SNX, exactly. Real question. I have an idea. Would like to hear your thoughts though. It's because men tend to take more risk and enjoy gambling more on. Oh. Yeah, okay, hear me out, right? Hear me out. It could also be, like, it's just facts that men in general tend to use, or be a little bit more logical. Women tend to be a little bit more emotional. It is what it is. And obviously emotion works so well in trading. Lukey, it could also be that. But yeah, in general, I want to say it's because men do like to take more risks. And if you look, no, I was gonna say if you look at like addicts and stuff, but this is different. This is very much a logic situation. It's why women definitely can do it, but maybe it's easier. No, I don't want to say easier. Oh, I'm gonna get cancelled. This is quite a difficult question. But you know, maybe it's easier for men because they don't invest so much emotion into it. It could be that. Went in long with 3 minis at 8:30 with 2 minis at 9:45. And I was like, I've done too much risk. Jules, sorry, I only saw that now. Jules, damn, but whoop whoop. I'm assuming that was a win. I haven't checked. I'm assuming that's a win. So whoop whoop, well done. That sounds terrifying. Hey Goon, what's up? David, what does that mean? What does that mean, David? I'm scared. Like, how well, this session's a bit of a flop because, well, I can't do anything. Perfect. Definitely. That's for Brokey now. Jody! I'm sorry, but Bri Brokies are just amazing. Wait, Celestial, what does that mean? Powerpuff Girl power. Hey, Celestial. Are you speaking from a psychology standpoint? A little bit, yeah, Jody. Jody, this book I'm reading explains it. Oh, and what does the book say? Agree, emotions and logic play big roles in trading. David said, no, I'm scared, David. I feel like you're gonna trick me. I'm scared. Sorry, that was very much an it's quick like, David! Anyways, moving on. Is it possible to start with $100? I want to say no, purely just because emotions are definitely then gonna take control of that. I heard a cappuccino tastes better after trading. Everything tastes better after trading, especially after a green day. Loki, but yeah, what do you think? Yes, no, maybe? You think it's true? I'm kind of excited, Bob. I'm really excited. What the hell, man? Okay. This would have taken me out because I would have mitigated my risk by at least, I think. Let's check if I would have mitigated risk by half. I'm pretty sure I would have. Yep, I would have mitigated risk by half. So around here, so it would have taken me out. Okay. Maybe it is just the world's way of saying, not today. Chameleon. It's a chameleon? It's a... Let me say this. Verkleer mannetjie. Verkleer mannetjie. Are you... I'm sorry, but the cutest thing in Afrikaans is pantoffels. Those of you that do not know, pantoffels are slippers in Afrikaans. How adorable. Oh, sorry, moving on. Jules, you should take the time to learn ninja trading. That's what I'm using. What a trash New York session. Take me back to London only to trade a fact. Just pure fact right now. We definitely are wired to take risks a lot easier, but it's not always well thought out. Testosterone also gives us a major edge, but it's a double edge. Ooh, Jody, that's interesting. That is very interesting. Wait. What does the testosterone have to do with it? Yeah, what? How does the testosterone come into play with this? Sorry, this is super interesting. Oh, we're actually saying that men are better at trading. Not so much better, it's just why there's more men who trade. Nox? Okay, cool. Thank you, whoever deleted that. I'm sure you saw my face going, what the heck, man? So with 10, I make it $127, then all is gone. It only means... Oh, there we go. Nice try. Yeah, really? I'm assuming there's another level down here that I obviously don't have marked out. Wait. Oh no, wait, Bob, you can't trade, can you? No, you can trade. Don't you also have a trading view account? I'm confused now. Michael, how's it going? I just went long, risking Jules, where your TP at, my man? We feel losses a lot more than you do. A losing trades, panic and stress can have the same effect on us as if we tackle the lion. Wow. Our brains can't tell the difference. It's fast. Whoa. Whoa. That is wild. Because I always find it super interesting. Sorry, I'm gonna kind of bring up like horse riding. So fun fact, I don't know if you guys know this. Horse riding is the only sport in the world where male and female competitors ride as equals. Yeah, you ride, you know, there's no man or female, you know, it's just you ride. But yeah, it's the only sport in the world where male and female compete as equals. There we go. Number one, there's a little fun fact for you. Number two, you tend to, I'm sure you guys have noticed this, but when you are younger, there's a lot of female horse riders in like the lower grades, but the top levels, there tends to be more males riding than the females at like the top levels, like the Olympics. And again, it's to do with they don't overthink so much. And like you said, the risks is just more. So that's why I understand this completely, because it's very similar with regards to the horse riding. It's so frustrating. Because again, I love to overthink, and sometimes I just sit there and I'm like, what the heck, man? Not fair. A higher appetite for risk. Oh, that what? Okay, wait. We're going back. Wait. Low-key Knoxtrip. Why are you scared to get cancelled? We're talking psychology and logic. I know, but some people don't like that. Some people don't like psychology and logic. I like to have mocha with mine. It's great families. Hey Southpaw, how's it going? Sorry, you came with quite a time of discussion. Whoa, here's this long. Damn, Jules, are you happy right now? God, find most trolling singer. How's a train? Testosterone only makes a person more competitive. I'm a sad woman or better fighters fight. Better fighters, better traders. These are just a height. I'm an actual genius. Any questions? How do you know you're an actual genius? Thanks for subscribing. Just bag. Oh, Jules? Whoop whoop. Yeah, I really did. I had no idea. I'm so sorry. Horse riding's fun. Go have fun. It is. But the horse makes a difference, right? Male horses. Nope. Geordie, they compete in the same levels as well. Yeah. Male, female, horses, yeah, they all compete together. There's no anything in the horse riding. Wow, that's interesting. I didn't know that was a thing in horse riding. Yeah, Jules. I don't know, female barrel racers are different. They're in the badass category. Bob, I have a photo, because we kind of, you know, when you're young, you mess around. I used to do like barrel race as a kid for fun. I like your training. Oh, thank you, Mark. That's really sweet. What's your upside levels? Just for curiosity. Return during the summer, then go back to my dip. Like I said, I'm quite lucky to be half Portuguese. I'm not gonna lie. I just luckily can. It's a blessing and a curse. Traders 2 points away from stop loss, then realizing the traders make it or break it. Yeah, Geordie, 100% equal with everything. Yeah, it's really, really cool. How awesome. Horse riding for the win! Anyway, sorry. The candles are going to go to test the low. This was a nice count, and I sent you a pic so you can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see this entry here, however, Jules, hear me out. It didn't take the low on this one. Or am I counting at the wrong spot? Because I see it perfectly apart from 3. Shouldn't 3 have swept? It didn't sweep on ES either. Or does that not really matter? Because then 4 is really good, and then 5 you said would be the entries. I'm assuming you entered around here. Oh damn, David, look at you go. Like Emmy, I was down by more than 400, but I was in a trade that almost covered it when you responded to my comment. Oh, Self-Par, amazing! I'm so glad. I'm glad your day's gotten better as well. That's awesome. I mean, yucky, I can't even trade, but in the same breath, this is not ideal for me to do. Anyway, so maybe it's just a sign. Buy gold options today. Back to Jermaine, nice. Bone. What's my age? I'm turning 41. Wow. How old do I look? No pressure. I think you gotta love it though. Like, I've been man horse riding for a living. That's right. I think I told you, Jordy, you did. Yeah, listen. Horse riding's tough, and those freaking creatures are expensive. But seriously, Jordy, I'm gonna have to tell you when Easter Festival is, and then you must go and watch. And you can get an idea. Like, 160 centimeters, you don't think it's that big, right? Until you go and watch horses jump that, and you kind of go, oh, damn. with the pick I sent. Thanks, Jules. I'll have a look. This one's what I lose every time. David, what a wild sentence to read right now. Anyways, moving on. Only true trader? Cool. I'm glad it wasn't just me. I suppose women got advantage in trading. It's all about pattern recognition. If you're able to let 5 be even at a time, you can be more successful than an algo. Okay, wouldn't some people argue that men are better at spotting patterns and things like that? So maybe that's why there's not a lot of female traders. We're disadvantaged in the market. No, I'm joking. Okay, sorry, I'm laughing at Goen's comment. That's a good age. I'm 40. I'm actually 27. Healthy soul, no love in my heart. Are you good? Do you need a hug? 160 centimeters is... Yeah, listen, it's... I don't know if I want to post it. I have a very old photo of me standing next to a jump that's 160 centimeters tall. Anyways, moving on. Makes sense. The 3 AM talk. Hey Gideon, what's up? How's it going? Got a war going on in this candle. Mike M, well, number 1, I can't trade. Number 2, yeah. I'm just not seeing anything today either, which is obviously not great. Is this going to go back up to the bob level? It kind of is. Jordy, I'd love to see my lady's also crazy about horses. Not Maya pro crazy, but she likes the horsies. There we go. Jordy, I will send you details, don't worry. Believe me, Easter Festival will come around real quick. Achilles, that's so sweet, thank you. Baby trades, do I strictly trade macros? Yes. For now, while I'm preserving capital and getting profitable. She likes the horses. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, guys. I don't need a hug. It would be wasted on me. Like... Are you good? What about a little happy pill or something? I don't know. Go have fun. You're 22. You're so young. There's no way I'm telling one Jez better at an intellectual exercise that chat. Not, I mean, you're valid. Receive. I don't know, in my perspective, I don't see this better than the other. No, 100%. Hey Thomas, what's up? Well, nothing super special happened. And Project X is down, so I can't even place trades. That's about it. But yeah, good morning, Thomas. What's up? Watch for that 400 if it gets more momentum. Just fine and dandy. If you say so, we will believe you. Okay. This price action freaking sucks, man. This is not okay. Jordy, I'm just finding out. Is managing risk taking a mental thing? 100%, David. What the heck? Hey, Hench Chicken, what's up? How you doing? You think it's a short? What, tapped into this Fair Value? Oh, not really. Hench Chicken. Regardless, I can't take a trade. So, It is what it is. Do you guys want to see what the machine does? No. Yes. Sorry, I'm like, we have time. Do you guys want to see? Probably a bad idea. But do you guys want to see what the machine does? And a man can trade with logic, which is responsible, and females have high emotional intelligence, which I would argue is instinct. So males can trade with instincts better than men. I did be up late, I think it was like 3:30 a.m. when I went to bed. Thomas, are you good? Are you good? Loki, how about short now? I don't hit it has not respected this. I mean, it respected it a little bit. The first presented. I mean, Loki, a short now maybe is not the worst. Failed to break above here. I mean, we theoretically have kind of stayed in this freaking range the whole time. Hinge chicken, what machine? Oh, I got a tens machine. It's so cool. Tens? Whatever you want to call it. Oh, that's fair, but gents tend to take risks more easily, probably without thinking. Probably not a good thing in the long run. Hey, thanks! Thanks, Thomas. Jules, you're long again? Just build 3-minute resistance. Oh, damn, Jules. Okay, let's see. How much are you risking though, Jules? I'm not gonna ask about levels and, but yep. Yep, Project X is down. Let's get into a particular thing. Nox, you really don't think so? Chests like that are very dangerous. Not 100%, Nox. It is. That's why there's so many debates about it. But, again, like I said, there's so many debates about it. And there can be lots of arguments for and against and. It's really tricky. David, no. Risking... Okay, cool. I'm on the very side from what I've observed for another leg down. I mean, there's just a massive fight going on right now. I can zoom in. Let's zoom in. Let's see what's happening. I can't trade regardless, which is probably fine because the price action sucks. Jordy, have you placed any trades? Thomas, can you place any trades? Do you only have Project X or do you have another trading platform? Everything is based on nurture, not nature. I mean, Nox, you could you could argue, right? You say no one could naturally be built for things, but now we can go into like the muscle. Some people are born, sorry, this is the personal training coming out. Some people are born with more fast twitch muscles than slow twitch muscles, which means they are natural sprinters. And, you know, vice versa. Some people have more slow twitch muscles and they are natural long distance runners. That being said, it doesn't mean you can't train to increase the muscle twitch, but sometimes naturally you are just built with more. So this really has taken like a weird debate type of conversation, but I'm all for it. Buyers don't want to give it up, Mike. No, they really do not. Wow, David. Can't tell if that was smooth or rude. Green day for me now. All I do is watch a stream to turn my ass out. Oh, you're so sweet. Top step NTBT, but I'm just gonna chill until tomorrow. I couldn't trade open since we had news. Ah, sorry, Thomas. Yeah, well, I mean... yeah, I can't trade because, well, Project X is down, so it is what it is. But I'm watching Bob's levels and hypothetically taking them in my... Oh, so you're kind of forward testing? Leave all that, suggest stocks to buy. Alternate account? Well, I don't really know. Anyone? Any stocks to buy? Definitely ran cross country in the tournament. I'm going to look into that now. There we go, Rizzy. Yeah, check. The slow twitch and fast twitch muscle fibers is a real thing. Like from a mental or physical perspective, Geordie, I think that's now the next question. Yes, but it all gets determined by which training you get as a child. No sprinting, but more hiking, then no more fast twitch muscles. Interesting. Okay, Nox, you got me there. You got me there. You know, but some people are, like I said, some people aren't naturally just born with, like, what about, okay, oh gosh, now we are going to go into a bit of a debate. Casta Semenya, she is a girl, but she naturally just produces more testosterone. So she had an advantage. There's debates about that one, about if it was natural or not, but me, you know, let's say it was natural. That one. But I agree, especially with the mental capacities. The mental capacities, I 100% agree with. With that one, Nox. Hey, go have fun. I am. I'm up $300 for today. And I can't trade, so we're having a debate. Bob, is my chart on delay? No? I don't think so. Oh shoot, it is. Oh my gosh, it's on a proper delay. Oh, it's because the markets are closed, hey? Well, closed because of Project X. I was like, it's not on, it is on a delay. Yeah, I can't trade it. So I can't even see what's happening right now. What the heck, man? Okay. Sorry, we are watching the past right now. I have errands to run, so I'm gonna hit that like button and get busy doing what. Oh, nice up. Not referring to mental, fast twitch muscles and other physical traits are genetic. I doubt someone could unlearn that of nature, but mentally. No, mentally, 100%. Mentally is nurture. No doubt about it. Not asking for specific reason. Does your boyfriend need to be a trader too? No, Lukey. Nah. That's also hilarious. That made me giggle. Everybody does. Is born with different abilities and strengths. Stats to prove that make better traders. Women are more risk adverse than men. Like mentally, we're amazing. Humans can literally learn to be anything they want. Conversely, we could unlearn anything we want to. Jordy, that's the thing. And again, the brain is kind of dumb. Hear me out. Hear me out with this. So this is something from my years of experience that I've realized it's not a bad thing, but sometimes you just, the body's weird, right? So let's say you have an injury in your right leg and you learn to, you know, brain now goes, okay, I can't survive just being on the right leg, so my left leg has to take all of that weight. Now the right leg is healed. You don't go back to how you were, because you're like, I'm functioning perfectly fine with this left leg. So your body continues just using that left leg as if the right leg's not working. And that then creates issues, because obviously now you've overloaded that left leg and it's going up into your hip, which then messes up your back, which messes up your shoulder, which messes up your... Sorry. You guys have got me talking about the personal training side of things. I can see the future. Thanks for subscribe. My she's a boyfriend. I'll take. No, David, I don't. Lukey was asking a question. Physically is different for sure, but I was saying things like math or chess. Oh, yeah. Weren't taught good math at those ages, you're struggling with it. But so, Nox, that is the thing. I would be terrified to be a parent. You know how easy it is to mess up kids? Terrifying. Look at this. Okay, I know I'm behind. Wait, Bob, tell me, would this have been a winning trade? Seeming as you guys can see into the future, and I'm literally like so far behind. So far behind. Am I so far behind? What's happening? I feel like this time is not moving at all. Has it literally stopped? Cool, this is very entertaining, so... Yeah, we send people to space due to human. Incredible, a pattern recognition better than computers. Oh, Jules, that's interesting. Like, if we were at a bar, we'd be going deep into this conversation. 100%, Geordie. We would be having such a hectic, I don't even want to say debate, but like, discussion. Deep, intense discussion about this. Yeah, thanks. 100% Nox. You can start having proper debates about this stuff. Proper. Bob, this is weird. What's weird? The fact that my chart's not moving out of this time zone, but the chart's still moving? Is that what's weird? Because I agree, this is very weird. Yeah, David, maybe stop that. Maybe that's a bad idea. Okay, cool. So I'm glad it's not just me. I realized the time and I was like, wait. So this is just one ongoing candle. This is basically just a candle on a higher time frame. But is it at like correct levels? Is it jumping around the same-ish levels, Bob? Close it and reopen it. I mean, I can just refresh. I'm gonna try reload this page. I don't think... Let's see what it does. Is it even gonna open again? It might not open again. Sorry, guys. Oh, no, here we go. Okay. Let's give it a second to think about its life choices. Or call it... Yeah, Bob, I might be leaning towards call it a day. Oh my greatness. I think everything's leaning towards call it a day. Let's give it a few more minutes, but... Oh, here we go. Ah! Okay, no, it's there. That was very random. That was so random. Hey Arjun, I'm on top 1 futures. To be fair, Project X is down, so I can't trade either, so man, it's what it is. David, you're a chop. I'm long again now, risking 400 for... Okay, Jules, you just send a whoop whoop. Okay, don't tell me anything else. You just send a whoop whoop and I'll know that you're good. Franks, right? Gotcha. Following, just being... Yeah, basically, Lukey. I mean, it took a while. I'm with Top Step and it sucks. Ah, sorry. Well, I mean, all the prop firms in my description below, you can have a look at those and see what you think. And then if you want to use my Teach Maya code, get some discounts and support me. That'd be amazing. Thank you. Next platform makes trading more exciting than it needs to be, honestly. Please be from Cape Town, Geordie. Sis. Knowledge is life. You are welcome. Yeah, have a look at them. Maybe they're amazing. Maybe they're not. I'm hoping they're amazing. I'm the chop. You're the one. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Just wow. Married me. With my gold trade from last week. What a rush that was. Quam, I'm assuming... Whoop whoop? Yes? Amazing? Should I try see if I can do one more? Nope, I can see it's red anyways. Should I try see if we can do one more trade for funsies? I don't think I can, but... And maybe I shouldn't be saying for funsies either. Not the best idea. I mean, the fact that there's red there just means market is indeed closed. I can't trade, which sucks, but it's fine. The tutor, what up? And trade with the Akash, how's it going? Thought I was a gamer at first. I mean, that would be quite fun, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't been able to play games in a while. My poor PC is a little bit overloaded right now. And as you can see, the Wi-Fi kinda sucks. So the games would piss me off. She's an e-trader. Ooh, I like that. In Bitcoin longs, wish me luck. Damn. Just need cat ear. No, because if I have those, I'm gonna have to do that proper ooh stuff. But trust me, Jordy, that is amazing. That is amazing. Some days I perceive trading as a sport. Ooh, okay, explain, Jules. She's a ChatGPT generated trade, nothing real here. I don't know how to prove that I'm real. I really don't know how to prove that. Like, I don't know. Should I annoy you guys? It's the hands. Look, my hands can do things. They can function without going through things. I don't know. Hey, Harry. I'm trading... Well, I can't trade Project X's down, so meh. But I'm on the NASDAQ futures. 30-minute big exhaustion. This is just chop. This just sucks. Today, well, New York session today sucks. London was amazing. London was so much fun to trade today. If anyone traded London, I hope you had as much fun as I did. Oh, the tutor, thank you so much. Mad love. Chibi, well, I mean, do you want to learn? Buys player 1, sells player 2, and high load EQ half finders field. Oh, that's interesting, Jules. That's quite cool to look at it like that. Identifying the green gender today. Nox, I love that. That is hilarious. Love you, doctor. Am I a doctor now? Oh, Jordy, can you imagine? Like I said, I still need to try and figure out how to train him to come and sit on this. I know he won't. He's very awkward. I love him to bits, but he is so awkward. I will send you... I'll put a photo on Discord of him being just such a weirdo. He's just such an awkward little dude. David! Thank you, there we go. Thanks, David, for the donation. Oh my gosh, you guys are too much today. Okay. Well, I guess that was low-key a little bit of a waste of a New York session, but lots of fun debating genders with you guys. And yeah, just what an interesting New York session. Good for you, Jerem. Perhaps you are real and we are AI. Damn, Lukey, now you're getting into some real weird stuff. Doctor means dear. Really? Seth? I've never heard that. How about you're the only real thing in existence? Lukey, why you gotta do that before it's my bedtime? Why you gotta do that before it's my bedtime? I'm gonna mess with my head. I'm gonna have weird dreams now. Thanks for that. Thanks, Lukey. Make meme trade for David at least. I have to make meme trade for David. I feel like a stripper. You know what, David? You always get a shout out. You're amazing. Thank you for always being so supportive. Anyone else gonna follow the lead? No? No? Honestly. No. I'm just joking. Anyways, moving on. Last Yannicky. Well, Nox, I can't trade anything. I can't do anything. I can't trade anything. I'm literally just having to sit on my hands. Well, not even sit on my hands because I can't even trade, even if I wanted to. Which nothing has looked appealing. The only trade that would have been a win would have been this by the looks of things, but it kind of goes against all of my confluences that I would have had there. I remember I was looking at the short there, hey? Maybe it was just the universe's way of saying, no, no. Yeah, Nox, it is. I watched your trade this morning. There. Oh, thanks, Mark. That's so sweet. Oh, just don't watch Inception before you go to. No, Jules, that's bad. Oh, wow, David, this is from Jordy. David, what the heck, man? It's such a snuff from my head. Wow. Desperation name. You gotta hide it. Tricky stuff. December sucks. Yes, it does, Denzel. Nuki, thanks. I appreciate it. It's for Perry. Oh, thank you. I know, Perry's gonna get... So do you know that I actually got Perry a little advent calendar? So each night, he gets a little treat out of his little advent calendar. It's really cute. Nuggies money. Ooh, chicken nuggies. Oh, chicken nuggies. Now I kind of want chicken nuggies. Thanks for that, Jules. And there's not even a McDonald's that's close to me down here. Ugh. Moving from Centurion, where there was everything so close, to here, where there is nothing. This is so difficult. I don't even have a McDonald's near me. That's when you know. Knowledge is life. Maya, who do I trade with? You guys? I mean, Jordy, to be fair, he dropped a hundo this morning. He just put it in two $50 trades. Yeah, 100%. Knowledge is life if you want to learn. Well, I don't know. Maybe you know a lot of things. David, I definitely did not send feed pics. I can tell you that one for free. I did not, I promise. I did not. Because, Jordy, I promised you a cut if I did the feed pics. I promised you a cut, so I didn't do the feed pics. Baby style, long. To be fair, in all honesty, this just looks sideways to me right now. I don't think anything I would have done, like I said, apart for this one trade here, nothing else would have been a win. A lie, where did I see one earlier? Nope, nothing else would have been a win. Yeah, this is just not the price action for my strategy, unfortunately. Yeah, Jules, it's not... Baby style? You don't what? Yeah, Jules, I think we're calling it. Oh, knowledge is life. I'm using top one futures currently. Yeah. And Rizzy, it is exactly 6:33 p.m. for me down here. Sorry, I'm busy playing with my penguin. How cute. Anyways, yeah, it's 6:33 p.m. This price action sucks. Maybe the afternoon will get something better, but I'm not here. Oh, what are the... How are the subs looking, guys? Are we near 8K? Not yet. Rizzy, 11:33 then. Middle of the day or Oh, Jay, you're also in Joburg? What? That's so cool. So I used to be Joburg side. I'm no longer. I'm now KZN side. And it's hot as hell here. But welcome, Jay. Oh, thanks, Captain Jack Silver. Well, that's definitely your foot, David. Take it easy, champ. Good chatting too long. Yeah, exactly. It was a good day. 5:33 p.m. there. Oh, there we go. Damn. Okay, well, let me call it there because this kind of sucks. I will be. No ways, David. Did you get it from my short? From my video? You paused the video of my foot. What is wrong with you? That's hilarious. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. Seriously? Okay, let me... God, that was hilarious. What is going on? Franks is hot inside. Franks is number one, by the way. For those of you that don't know, Franks has been literally day one. I think Franks was the first, or one of the first ever people that commented on my stream. So Franks is literally my day one. Man, shout out to Franks. I can't believe you're still here. You're amazing. Thank you, thank you. David, yeah. No. Shorty. Hey, David, what's up? David's back. Where'd some guy go? David is back. Aw. Yeah, no, I'm... Okay, I'm calling it. I'm calling it there. That's enough weirdness for today. I'm out. You guys are hilarious. That was a, yeah, terrible day trading-wise, but good giggle-wise. Spot on. Well, no, I say that. I'm up $300 for today. and a bunch of laughs. I love you guys madly. It looks like we might be headed towards... Yeah, we might be headed towards the 24-hour stream on Friday, so that's quite cool. I think. Like I said, I'm probably regretting my life choices, but it's fine. Again, I love you guys madly. Thank you for always being there, and thank you for the support. I will be back tomorrow, London and New York session. Let's do this. Again, thank you for the support. If you want to show some extra love and support, you're more than welcome to use my affiliate code. It's TeachMaya with any of the prop firms in the description below. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I love you guys. Have an amazing evening, morning, day, wherever you're at. Love you, bye.